This Wallace Real Estate property video is presented by Madison Stroud. Nestled within a secluded wooded area, this charming 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home boasts an open floor plan that seamlessly blends the living room, dining area, and kitchen, all warmed by rich wood accents throughout the main living space, creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere with a natural feel. 3 well-sized bedrooms, including a master suite with a private ensuite bathroom and walk-in closet.All rooms offer a serene view of the surrounding woodland. Overall, this home offers a harmonious blend of modern convenience and rustic charm, and providing a peaceful retreat in the heart of the woods while maintaining a spacious, open feel with beautiful wood features throughout. Come check out this masterpiece today. For more information, review the details below or contact Madison Stroud at 865-687-1111.